So guys, pag nasa Thailand ka guys, ha, ito ang kilala dito, Phi Phi Beach. Okay, so parang Palawan ito guys. At alam mo naman sa Buddies Informative, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin yung mga gagandang lugar, the best place on earth. So it's gonna be fun, more fun here in Thailand, ladies and gentlemen.
Make it higher, make it faster.
Matulog ka!
Collaboration pala nito.
Yepoy Vlogs. Yepoy Vlogs.
Teka lang, hindi pa ako.
Ganda. Tayo guys. Welcome to Thailand guys. So, papasyalan natin yung maganda nilang beach. Famous daw dito. Maganda nila, diba? National Park entrance. National Park pa na ito. Kumbaga sa atin, parang Palawan ito guys. So guys, some kind of we are the early bird in this island. We are the opening ceremony in this island, you know. All the shops are still closed because it's around 7 AM right now. But the thing is, we want to go to the beach as early as morning because we just want to explore this island, this beautiful Koh Phi Phi paradise here in Thailand, ladies and gentlemen. So they have a lot of paddy diving sites here. You know, if you want to go diving, go for it. Welcome to Thailand, guys. Yeah, and this is my financer, boss. So ito, kakatapos na namin magpamassage, aroma therapy massage, and then papasok tayo ngayon sa smoothie. So, boss, shoutout sa mga taga-Taklak dyan.
Ito sa mga Taklak. Ito nga pala si Badida Informative. Pamasahe kami.
Pamasahe kami lang. Ito si Brother Noel from Surigao. Surigao ba? Okay. Oo, at saka ito yung mga masayista namin. Ayan. So guys, we are in a famous beach resort here in Thailand, so-called Phi Phi Beach Resort. And as you can see behind me, beautiful scenery out there. Sun is very fine, and yeah, this is good for a vacation. I'm gonna enjoy it, and all the tourists will, you know, famous in Thailand because all the tourists came here to do their vacation, relaxation, name it. So guys, let's have fun. Yan na nga guys, we're going to step on their beach. Pero seems like it's the sand here is very fine, but the thing is, yeah, malumot ng konti. It's because of the season. But have a look this one, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look the fish. Oh, see? Yung isda, di ba? Oh, ito pwede natin kuhanin to. Oh, see? Oh, see? I have oh, okay. nakawala ga. Pero it's nice. Napakasarap, napakaganda dito sa Phi Phi Beach. Paradise. Like you're in other dimension. Welcome to Phi Phi, Thailand. Wow. Ang sarap guys, ang lalim. Balik na tayo doon sa lovely guys, lovely. Lalim. Palalampasin dito sa Thailand yung kickboxing nila. Naghihintay pa ako ng makakalaban. I'm just waiting for the my weight level. But I will try the canvas if it is okay. So guys, nandito kami ngayon. Medyo mag-chill up muna kami. Chill up muna kami. At ito yung mga gwapo kong kasama. Sa Surigao. Tsaka Cavite.
Surigao. Guys.
Malaki yung beer, malaki.
Malaki yung beer.
May hawakan pa, may hawakan. Libre hawakan.
Libre.
Salamat sa libre. Salamat sa libre.
Thank you. Shinga. Okay.
Magkano kayo? Mag-glass kayo?
Ha?
Glass.
Give me one short. Thank you. Para medyo sosyalin ng konti ang datingan natin. Lagyan natin ng konti ng glass. Yan. Di ba? Tunay yan. Guys, tunay ha. Okay. Welcome to Thailand guys. So, thank you. Tama naman yung beach front nila, di ba? Ang ganda guys, ang ganda. Beautiful place, beautiful scenery. This is Thailand. PP Thailand. PP Island, okay? In Thailand. So, dito kami ngayon sa isang bar para mag-chill up ng konti. Ayan. Di ba? Medyo kami pala ang kliyente dito. At titikman natin yung famous beer nila dito guys. Okay? Beachfront. Nandito kami sa Beachfront guys. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my journey in Thailand has come to an end, and this is the night view here in one of their famous island. Okay, so pag pinakita yung mga ganyang motorboat, Thailand, that's the signature of Thailand. Those motorboats looks like that is the Thailander masterpiece.